Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a website on Google Search Console. So we are going to start. You just click here, you come add property, so from here you got URL prefix. I advise you to use this one. You paste your URL, you click continue. Now you're gonna have to verify your website. Download this file. Now go to your cPanel, upload the file you just download from Google Search Console. It's uploading the file. So this is the file we just add, as you can see here. Go back to Google Search Console, click verify. As you can see, ownership verified. Okay, very simple, right? So this is how you add a website on Google Search Console. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.